Hello, welcome to a new video. I'm Maritza, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you July 2022 Teacher Care Crate theme and all the goodies that are inside this month's crate. The first thing that you will find when you open your crate is the info card. The info card has all of the details of what's inside, as well as a QR code. If you are a subscriber, it will lead you to all the digital downloads. This month's theme is Freshly Squeezed. It's a very exciting theme because it's very summerish, and it's a healthy outside starts from the inside. This month's self-care crate will help you nourish to flourish. Let's go ahead and dive right in. The first thing I have here is the art print of the month. It is Be Like a Pineapple, Always Wear Your Crown. It is by Violet Poppy Design. The next thing I have here is a citrus Swedish dishcloth, and right now it looks stole, but check out our social medias and we will be sharing how it looks the before and after, and it looks so amazing. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. And his teachers are Zest. So this is a dishcloth. The next thing I have here is a gold foil mask. It is by Face Tori. Be Bright, Be You in 4 easy steps, like 15 to 20 minutes. The next thing I have here is a bow scrunchie, and it is this really cute, very sturdy, elastic bow tie. The next thing I have here is a strawberry bookmark, and it is actually a sewing kit. A really neat, very easy to do, and it is a really great activity for the summer. And everything is in this little box, everything that you need. And this is by Butterscotch Sewing Company. The next thing I have here is the sweet treat of the month, which is a lemon cake by Hammond's Candies, and it is a zesty sweet goodness, naturally flavored. The next thing I have is a Moira Beauty Citrus Hand Sanitizer Spray. This is so perfect for, it's refreshing and moisturizing, and it doesn't leave you all sticky icky, and it does really kill all of the germs. And the last thing I have here is the citrus notepad theme. Think It, Want It, Get It. Perfect size for writing down all of those notes and goals that you might have over the summer break. And that is it for what's inside the crate. Now I'm going to show you what's in the digital downloads. I have printed a couple versions for you, and as always they come in black and white as well as in color. So the first thing I have here is the garland for bulletin board. It comes in 3 different designs, and this is the zesty lemon design. It also, all bulletin boards come with the alphabet on them as well as the plain set here. And so that is, I just printed one version of this one, but they come in different ones. There is the watermelon design, and this is the 3rd design. And we also have some other versions of planning sheets. There is a shopping list here for you, and a monthly as well as a digital meal plan. Very easy, keeping organized all summer long. And some other worksheets for your classroom, for your children at home, however you may use them. Here is a food pyramid and a what's in your favorite healthy meal. And this one comes in 2 different colors as well as black and white. So if you would like any of these digital downloads, they will be easy to find when you scan your QR code here if you are a subscriber. You will also get the desktop wallpapers as well. So make sure to subscribe by the 14th as always. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing all of the goodies that are inside for the July 2022 Teacher Care Crate. Be sure to visit us all on our other social media platforms. We'd love for you to join our community on there. See you next time. Bye.